Today we are making birdseed treats. Here are some examples of birdseed treats.
Here are some molds to use with the birdseed treats. Make sure to spray the molds with Pam cooking spray.
In the bowl, put 3 tablespoons of Karo syrup, 1/2 cups of water, and 2 packages of gelatin.
In this bowl, you will put 4 cups of mixed birdseed and 3/4 of a cup of flour. Next, you will need to mix it and then add the wet ingredients.
Here are some optional things to put in your birdseed treats. Dried bananas, live beetles,
Corn and sunflower seed,
dried raisins.
This is our team.
Thanks for watching our presentation.